Have you ever wondered how the palm oil in your everyday products is made? Palm oil, a versatile and widely used ingredient, can be found in everything from your favorite snacks to household cleaners. However, its production has sparked controversy due to its environmental impact, including deforestation and habitat loss. This has prompted many to question whether there's a better way to obtain this ubiquitous oil. But what if there's a more sustainable way to produce this versatile oil? Sustainable palm oil production isn't a myth, it's a reality that's unfolding right now. The journey towards sustainable palm oil begins even before a single seed is planted. It starts with the careful selection of planting locations. These are chosen to avoid deforestation, protecting our precious ecosystems and the diverse life they support. Once the perfect location is pinpointed, it's time to plant. But not just any seed will do. Only high-quality seeds are used, reducing the need for large plantations and thus limiting the impact on the environment. Then, as the palms grow, best practices are implemented. This includes the careful management of the palm groves, ensuring that each tree gets the right amount of sunlight and water and the land is not overworked. Harvesting is also a crucial part of the process. The fruit is picked at the peak of its ripeness to ensure the highest quality oil, and it's done by hand, which not only creates jobs, but also reduces the need for heavy machinery that can harm the environment. But what about the waste? Well, nothing goes to waste in sustainable palm oil production. The leftover parts of the palm, like the fronds and the kernel shells, are often used as organic fertilizers or to generate energy, further reducing the operation's environmental footprint. So, sustainable palm oil is not only possible, but it's also happening right now, and it's making a big difference. So, what's the big deal about sustainable palm oil? That's what we've been discussing, right? Let's quickly recap. Sustainable palm oil production is a game changer for numerous reasons. First, it's a conscious effort to protect our environment. By preserving biodiversity, reducing deforestation, and promoting eco-friendly farming practices, we're giving Mother Nature a helping hand. Secondly, it's about supporting local communities. Sustainable palm oil farming provides livelihoods, boosts local economies, and encourages fair trade. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. Lastly, it's about providing a crucial ingredient without damaging the planet. Palm oil is in almost half of the products on supermarket shelves, from foods to cosmetics. It's efficient, versatile, and when produced sustainably, it's guilt-free. The next time you pick up a product containing palm oil, think about the journey it's been on, and how choosing sustainable can make a world of difference.